I got charged $50 for something I forgot to cancel, and support told me there was nothing they could do about it. That mistake is actually what led me to something that's now saving me over $150 a month. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to stop that from happening to you. Before I get into it, if you're someone running multiple AI tools every month, the link is already below this video. You don't have to wait until the end to grab it. Watch the story first though, because it explains exactly why this matters. A while back, I joined a paid community, one of those 7-day free trial setups, $50 a month after that. I told myself I'd go through the material in the trial week and cancel if it wasn't for me. Life happened. I got busy with client work. 7 days passed, and I got charged the full $50 for a program I hadn't even opened yet. I reached out to support. Straight answer: no refunds, no exceptions. $50 gone for zero value. That stung, not because $50 is a lot of money, but because I know exactly how many small AI subscriptions I was already juggling that month. ChatGPT, Claude, an image tool. That $50 I lost was basically a whole extra subscription I didn't even get to use. That's what pushed me to actually look for a better way to manage all these AI subscriptions. Not just cut them, but consolidate them. That's when I started using ToolSuite. I've been on it for 6 months now, not a week, not a free trial I forgot to cancel. 6 months of actually using it in my day-to-day work as a dropshipper and content creator. Here's the simple version. Instead of paying separately for ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Gemini, Higgsfield, spy tools for dropshipping, and a dozen other tools all stacking up 20 here, 30 there, ToolSuite gives you one dashboard, one login, one monthly charge, and inside, you get access to over 50 of these premium AI tools. You open the dashboard, click the tool you want, and you're in. No separate passwords to remember, no 5 different billing dates to track. And here's the part that matters after what happened to me with that community subscription. ToolSuite actually gives you a heads up before your next charge goes through. A few days out, you get a notification. Your renewal is coming. That's it. That's the difference between a service that respects your money and one that doesn't. You get to decide, in advance, if you're still using it or if it's time to cancel. No surprise $50 charges. Over the past 6 months, consolidating what I was already paying for individually has saved me close to $150 a month. And that's without touching most of the other 40+ tools in there that I honestly haven't even gotten to yet. I'm not saying this to sell you something you don't need. I'm saying it because I know what it's like to bleed money on subscriptions without noticing, and I'd rather a fellow dropshipper, AI tools user, or entrepreneur hear this from someone who's actually used it than find out the hard way as I did with that community charge. I'll give you the one real downside, because I'm not here to pretend this is perfect. Since access is shared across active members, every so often, usually during peak hours, a tool can be briefly unavailable. It's not constant, and it's honestly the same thing you'll run into on any AI platform once you hit usage limits, even on a paid plan. It's a normal part of how these tools operate. Just don't expect zero hiccups, ever. So here's where I land on this. You can keep paying full price for every AI tool separately and hope you remember to cancel the ones you forgot about, like I almost didn't. Or you can put them all under one roof, get warned before you're ever charged again, and actually save money doing it. Click the link in the description below. Go check it out for yourself before you commit to anything. And if this saved you from making the same $50 mistake I made, hit subscribe. I'm sharing more of these money-saving finds as I test them myself.